Indoor plants offer numerous benefits beyond their aesthetic appeal. They not only enhance the beauty of interior spaces but also improve air quality by removing toxins. There is a wide variety of indoor plants out there, each with its own unique characteristics and care requirements. Here are a few popular types. Swiss cheese plant. The Swiss cheese plant is beloved for its unique foliage. It is a popular choice for adding a tropical touch to indoor spaces. Pothos. Pothos is a versatile and popular houseplant that can add a touch of greenery to your indoor spaces. Pothos are great choices for beginners or those with busy schedules. They are relatively low maintenance and can add a touch of aesthetic beauty to any space. Chinese fan palm. Chinese fan palm can be a beautiful and long-lasting addition to any indoor spaces. Z plant. Z plant is a popular choice for indoor gardening due to its ability to thrive in low light conditions and its low maintenance requirements. It is a drought-tolerant plant and can withstand periods of neglect. Weeping fig. Weeping fig is known for its attractive, glossy leaves and graceful drooping branches. Lucky bamboo. Lucky bamboo is considered a symbol of good fortune, prosperity, and positive energy in various cultures, particularly in Chinese feng shui practices. Chinese money plant. The Chinese money plant, also known as Pilea peperomioides, is a popular houseplant that has gained popularity for its unique round leaves and easy care requirements. Parlour palm. The Parlour palm is widely appreciated for its attractive appearance, easy care requirements, and ability to thrive in low light conditions. This palm thrives in low to medium indirect light. It can tolerate some shade and is a great choice for areas with limited natural light. The Parlour palm can be a beautiful addition to your indoor space, adding a touch of greenery and a tropical ambience.